Jet with 64 aboard collide with helicopter in U.S. Everyone aboard feared dead. Rescue authorities. Arlington. At least 28 bodies were pulled from the icy waters of Potomac River after an American airline jet carrying 60 passengers and 4 crew members collided with an Army helicopter while on approach to Ronald Reagan National Airport near Washington, officials said Thursday. The search was going for another casualties, but officials did not believe there were any other survivors, which would make it the deadliest U.S. air crash in nearly 24 years. We are now at the point where we are switching from a rescue operation to a recovery operation, said John, the fire chief in the nation's capital. We don't believe there are any survivors. The fuselage of the plane was found upside down in 3 sections in waist-deep water. The wreckage of the helicopter was also found. This morning we all share a profound sense of grief, Washington, D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser said. 3 soldiers were aboard the helicopter, an Army official said. There was no immediate word on the cause of the Wednesday collision, but all takeoffs and landings from the airport were halted as dive teams scoured the site, and helicopters from law enforcement agencies across the region flew over the scene in a methodical search for bodies. Images from the river showed boats around the partly submerged wing and what appeared to be the mangled wreckage of the plane's fuselage. Senator Roger of Kansas said, "When one person dies, it's tragedy, but when many people die, it's an unbearable sorrow." President Donald Trump said he had been fully briefed on this terrible accident, and referring to the passengers added, "May God bless their souls."